Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Sezzle how it works. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Sezzle is a buy now pay later service that allows you to split your purchases in 4 interest-free payments over 6 weeks or further available option that you can select as well. Now in order to use it, what you need to do is first create a free Sezzle account online or through mobile app, and then provide basic personal and payment information like a debit or credit card information. The next is browse stores partnered with Sezzle available on their app or website at checkout, and once you have selected the product, what you need to do is head over to the checkout, and there you'll find this option that says buy now pay later with Sezzle. And then what you need to do is click on this complete order option, and once you click on complete order option, here Sezzle will provide you with the payment schedule that is available for the selected product. Now once you have selected the payment plans, click on continue, and here you'll be able to review your order details. For rumor, you can pay 25% upfront at checkout. The remaining 3 installments are automatically deducted every 2 weeks. Use the Sezzle app to view upcoming payments, reschedule payments, or pay early. Payments are interest-free. Late fees apply if you miss a payment. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.